ABP 980 is a biosimilar, and the approval process and the study program for a biosimilar is different from a study program for a new original medication, a drug. What you do first when you're trying to develop a biosimilar is you have to do pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic studies. The first study was in healthy humans, 14, just to show that it is safe and to show pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic data. This is the first study showing clinical data on the biosimilar, and that is because if for the approval of a biosimilar, you do not need that process of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 studies. What you need is one phase 3 study in the end with an efficacy endpoint, and that is actually adding to this concept of totality of evidence that we're using in biosimilars. And actually you can choose what population you want to treat. It has to be one of the approved populations for the originator, but you can choose only one, meaning this is the concept of extrapolation, meaning because we could in that new adjuvant study show that the PCR rates were within the range of biosimilarity. The approval that is given, and it was approved in Europe a few days ago, is for early breast cancer, for metastatic breast cancer, and for metastatic gastric cancer, as long as they're HER2 positive. It's not the case that if you are producing a biosimilar, you always get an approval for every indication the originator is indicated in. You have to show to the authorities, you have to demonstrate that it's the same mechanism of action. But in this case, because the mechanism of action is the HER2 receptor and the HER2 pathway, the approval will be for all these indications.